Hey everybody, it's Jackie and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing my lock count. So I think I have about 140 locks, give or take a few. I've started some, I've combined some, and so I'm not really sure how many locks I have, and I'm going to take you along to do the count and I'll reveal it at the end. Let's get to counting. I'm going to start with this section. $27, there was 36 in this back section. And the last section. There were 37 in that last section. All right, I'm back and I've got all those ponytail holders off of my hair and I am ready to reveal the number of locks I have. Drum roll. That's not really a drum roll. I have 143 locks. I think that is around the amount that I thought I actually had. I started 2 lock extensions up here and actually ended up combining that into one. I also combined some in the back as well. I showed y'all in the last video. And so that sounds about right. 143 sounds about right. I think that's about what I counted the last time I counted them. I think maybe I counted 141. So I'm gonna go with 143. I have 143 locks on my head. So I would consider this size to be, one of my subscribers commented and they called my locks medium. So we're gonna go with medium is the size of my locks. So 143, I would say that's small to medium or medium. If you have any questions about my locks, feel free to leave them below. Also, if you are currently locked, let me know how many locks you have and what size you would consider your locks, if you would consider them a size. So tell me that down below. I always love to chat with you all, ask you questions about your locks and things like that. And so let's start a conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.